Hi guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review and tutorial on a facial roller. Since having my baby 6 months ago, I've been having a lot less sleep and feeling a lot more puffy in the mornings and throughout the day. And I wanted to find something that helps to combat that. But do they really work? Well, I've used it a few times and it certainly feels good, but I've got no idea if it's actually making any real difference at all. So part of the reason for doing this video is actually for me to see whether there are any visible results after using a facial roller. Now the roller that I'll be using today is this, the Body Shop Revitalising Facial Roller. This is their more luxurious type. They've got another roller which is made of plastic with lots of plastic bumps on the end, but this one has got two metal balls instead, and I've kept this in the fridge for about an hour before using it because it's just a lovely and cooling sensation when it's been in the fridge. I also have the Revitalising Precision Eye Roller from the Body Shop as well, so I'll use that too. So I guess all that remains for me to do is roll my face and give myself a good facial massage, and then it's up to you guys and me to have a look at the before and after and see if there's actually any difference. So I'm going to start by rolling the jawline like this on both sides of my face. I can tell you, because it's been in the fridge, it really does feel good. Feels amazing, really refreshing and soothing. Last night I stayed up until 2 in the morning, not actually because of my baby, it's because I had some work to do, and my partner got back late from work and we just kind of sat there talking, which was a bit silly because the baby was actually in bed from 7 p.m. So I had about 5 hours sleep last night, and that was broken sleep too because the baby woke up throughout the night to feed. So I do feel pretty knackered today, and I've got a meeting in about an hour, so I would quite like to look a bit less tired and puffy. Okay, so that's the jawline. Then I like to go up like this and out, and then down the lymph line. So up the side of the nose, out, down the lymph line. Out and down. I tell you what, I really wish I had more time on a daily basis to do this because it really does feel nice. So soothing. If you're like me and you're getting up quite a few times in the night to feed your baby and you're feeling groggy like I am, then even if it's just a placebo effect, it really does feel nice. So soothing. Okay, and then this side. This technique I kind of picked up actually from another YouTube video. It wasn't a facial roller video that I was watching, but it was a facial massage video. And so some of the movements that I'm using in this video are kind of inspired by what I learnt from that facial massage video that I saw, and that was all about depuffing. And I think draining the face from the centre outwards is a thing, and then down the lymph line is meant to help to drain any fluids from the face. Certainly feels good. The Body Shop do actually sell a facial oil to use with this roller. I'm not using that today. I didn't buy that because it already felt like quite an indulgence just to get the rollers, to be honest. What I'm actually using is bio oil, which I had already from my pregnancy for stretch marks. So I've just put a bit of that very sparingly all over my face, and it just helps the roller to glide across the skin. No makeup on my skin, obviously. And yeah, I would recommend using an oil or a serum. Oils are definitely better, I think, because the roller will glide really well. Because if you don't use anything, it does tend to pull the skin, which I guess you don't really want. Next up, I'm going to try in between the brows, and that is a great sensation actually. If you're tired and you've got a headache, it does feel really, really soothing. And then across. Wow, you can see those red marks there where I've maybe gone a little bit too overzealous, but I tell you what, it does feel nice. And again, down that lymph line to try and drain any puffiness. That feels good. It's really, really soothing. And I guess it doesn't really matter how you do your routine with your facial roller. I think you just kind of do whatever feels good, to be honest. And you kind of go with the flow, like I'm doing here, moving it all around the face to whatever areas really feel like they need a massage. It's meant to be really good on the neck as well. So again, I've used some of that bio oil on my neck too, to make sure that the two metal balls don't pull the skin too much. I know that a lot of people swear by facial massage to keep the skin looking young. Whether there's any truth in that or not, who knows? But I suppose I can see why they would claim that, because it obviously brings a lot of blood to the surface of the skin. It increases the blood flow. So I can see why that could be believable. Okay, I think that's it for now for the face massage, but now I'm going to use the precision eye roller and see if, I'm just going to adjust the camera, and see if the eye roller makes a difference to the eye bags as well and the shadows. Again, you keep this in the fridge as well, and it will feel amazing. I think it's a good idea to have the eye roller as well as the main face roller, because it's just a lot more delicate, and the eye area is obviously a lot more delicate than the rest of your face. So if there's any chance of pulling the skin, you want to avoid that. And because this is much smaller and lighter, there's obviously less chance of damaging the skin. And it's also just more comfortable than having those two big metal balls going around your eye, which wouldn't be too comfortable. Again, you can see I'm kind of always trying to move towards the outside, the outer edge of the eye. And then really I should be going down the lymph line again to drain any puffiness from the eye area. Do the other eye now. Be interesting to see if this has any effect, as in making the eyes look more open and bright, or whether I'll do all of this and at the end we'll look at the before and after and just be like, no change. I mean, who knows, maybe it's the gradual thing that will take weeks of doing this every day, I don't know. But you'd like to think that there'd be an immediate improvement. You can see I'm going quite lightly. I am applying pressure around the eyes, but not too much. And the fact that I've got the bio oil on my skin helps with that as well. It just helps the ball go much more lightly across the skin. And then I just wonder whether there's any merit in massaging the nose as well, because in the facial massage videos that I've seen, they do also massage the nose to depuff. And to kind of lift the nose as well. So, who knows? Might as well give it a whirl. Wish I had time to do this every day. Seriously, it feels so nice, so relaxing. Okay, I'm just going to go over the main part of my face again with the larger roller before finishing. Oh, well, I certainly feel more relaxed, I can tell you. Oh, that feels good, even down the neck as well. Oh. So I finished my facial massage. I certainly feel a lot more relaxed, a little bit less tired and a little bit less puffy, but it remains to be seen whether it's made any visible difference. Let's have a look at the before and after. Whoa, I did not expect that. I can actually see a difference. I'm actually quite surprised. I did that massage thinking that it would feel nice, but thinking it probably wouldn't make any difference at all. But I can really see a visible difference in those two pictures, especially around the eyes. The eyes look a lot bigger, more open and brighter. And yeah, my whole face just looks a lot less puffy and a lot less tired. I am absolutely shocked, pleasantly surprised. I think I'll be doing facial massages a lot more after looking at that photo, actually. Wow, I'm impressed. So let's give the product a name check again. It's the Body Shop Revitalising Facial Roller. That's the box that it comes in. And that's the actual product there. The smaller one that I use is the Revitalising Precision Eye Roller, and that's the box that comes in, and that's what the product actually looks like. Yeah, I'm amazed. I'd love to hear what you guys think. Maybe I'm imagining things, but let me know if you can see the difference in the before and after photo. And let me know if you've tried it yourself, if you've got any more tips on facial massages. Then I'd love to hear, because yeah, I think I will be doing that more often from now on. Please do subscribe to my channel, The Amateur Mama, and also follow me on Instagram, where you can find myself and my baby Chibi, and we'd love to connect with you on there and hear your thoughts, and see you there. Thanks very much for watching, and catch you soon.